Twitch is one of the most popular online streaming platform which was founded in 2011 with more than 15 million daily active users today. Initially it featured only video games, but lately it has expanded its content to include artwork, music, and TV shows among others. Although this is a solid platform, there are instances when certain issues can occur. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from a DNS that isn't working to a server issue. In this latest video installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Twitch black screen issue. How to fix Twitch black screen issue. Before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps listed below, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and removes any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, try using Google's DNS. If the DNS that your computer isn't working, then try to use Google's DNS. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then at the Run dialog box, type Control Panel, enter or click on OK. Then at the Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on Change Adapter Settings. You will be directed to a new page. Then, right-click on the network you are using to go to its properties. Next, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP-4. Then, click on Properties. Next, at the Properties section, click on Use the following DNS server addresses. Then set preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. And set alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Then, press OK to save changes and exit. Next, restart your computer. Check if the Twitch black screen issue still occurs. Next, turn off hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is a feature that improves the performance of applications. However, there are instances when it can cause certain issues. To check if this is what's causing the problem, you should try turning off hardware acceleration. To do this, open Google Chrome. Then, click on the three dots present at the top right side of the screen. Then, when the drop-down menu has opened, click on Settings near end of the menu. At the Settings section, scroll down to the very end and click on Advanced. Then at the Advanced section, go to System tab. Under it, uncheck the option which says Use hardware acceleration when available. Next, relaunch your browser. Check if the Twitch black screen issue still occurs. Next, reset the network configurations. Since this problem can be caused by an issue with the network settings, then it's best to reset the network configuration of your computer. To do this, at the search bar on your Windows, type Command Prompt. Then, right-click on Command Prompt and click Run as Administrator. The prompt message appears. If you allow this app to make changes to your device, click on Yes. Then at the Command Prompt section, type these commands. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and then press Enter. Type ipconfig/renew then press Enter. Next, restart your computer. Check if the Twitch black screen issue still occurs. Lastly, check your router and browser. In case the above steps fails to fix the problem, then you should perform the following steps. Make sure router does not have a firewall setting that is blocking JavaScript. Try to reset the router by unplugging it and leaving it off for a minute before plugging it back in. Try to disable all extensions and plugins on your browser. Make sure Flash Player and JavaScript is enabled on your computer. Enable TLS on your computer. Avoid using proxies or VPN. Check if the Twitch black screen issue still occurs. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Twitch black screen issue. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.